Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated return of a true icon at the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. After a brief hiatus in the US market, the Land Cruiser is back, and it's got a bold new attitude while staying true to its legendary roots. Whether you're a longtime fan or just curious about the buzz, this new model is packed with features that are worth talking about. First off, Toyota has completely reimagined the Land Cruiser for 2025. Unlike the previous luxury-heavy version, the new model shifts its focus back to rugged functionality. It's built on the TNGA-F platform, the same one used in the Toyota Tundra and the Lexus XA, giving it a rock-solid foundation and improved off-road capability. It's also slightly smaller and more nimble than before, which means better maneuverability on tough trails while still maintaining that tough, boxy look you all love. Under the hood, the 2025 Land Cruiser sports a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid engine. Toyota calls it the iForce Max, and it cranks out an impressive 326 horsepower and 465 pounds-feet of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4-wheel drive, so whether you're cruising down the highway or crawling over rocks, this beast is ready for anything. And yes, the hybrid setup means better fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Yeah, a big win for both your wallet and the environment. The design brings a refreshing blend of retro and modern. You'll notice round LED headlights and a classic upright stance that nods to Land Cruisers of the past, while modern touches like sleek taillights and refined body lines keep it looking current. It's boxy, bold, and unmistakably Land Cruiser. Inside, the cabin strikes a balance between rugged durability and modern comfort. Depending on the trim, you get an 8 or 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a digital gauge cluster, plenty of USB ports, and Toyota's full suite of safety features including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. The interior materials feel solid and built to last, and higher trims add nice extras like heated and ventilated seats, a premium audio system, and even a 360-degree camera system. Toyota didn't forget its off-road fans either. The 2025 Land Cruiser comes standard with the locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, crawl control, and downhill assist control. There's even an available disconnecting front sway bar for serious articulation when the terrain gets rough. Ground clearance is solid, and approach and departure angles make this vehicle trail-ready right from the showroom floor. Starting around $55,000, the new Land Cruiser is positioned to offer serious capability at a more accessible price point than its luxury-focused predecessor. It's no longer just a status symbol, it's once again a true off-road machine with the heart of an adventurer. So, what do you think? Has Toyota nailed the return of the Land Cruiser, or were you expecting something different? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends, where every drive is legendary.